Good afternoon, everyone. It is December 9th, the first class in December for KIT Iizuka English 6C. Last week was your midterm test, and I wanted to talk about that a little bit later. But this week is the 9th, and if you look here on the schedule, so we have the 9th, which is today, and then after that is the 16th. And these are the only two classes that we have in December because the 23rd is once again on demand. Then we come back on the 6th. Now, in the last few classes, that's today, next week, and the three classes that we have in January, this class, and the 6th, I want to start concentrating on learning how to speak English. Not just study English, not just the vocabulary, the grammar, the listening quizzes, but from today, I want to show you how you can start thinking about using the English that you know to communicate the best that you can. And then eventually, that will get you ready for your speaking test on January 27th. After that is the final test. That also is on demand, but I want to concentrate on this, on your speaking test, to give you the skills that you need for that. Okay, otherwise, let's see. Last week, you just had the test. We'll talk about that in a minute. And also, too, this week, you have your homework, the answers from the homework from the week before. And you have the Quizlet set, which is still useful for your study, but we're not going to do that this week. Instead, you just have your homework submission. And I want you to read this PDF for your email quiz next week. So this PDF you can read now, and then the email quiz that you'll have next week will be about this PDF. The last assignment that you have this week is about your fluency. So make sure that you do that tonight. Read the question here. What do you think you need to do to improve your own English fluency? Think about it, and then answer the question by tonight. Okay. I also wanted to take a look a little bit at your midterm test results. So I want to make sure I don't show anybody's name. So excuse me for just a second here. I'm going to turn that screen off. Come over here. Yep. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here are your results for the test. Okay, it looks like everyone did all right. Nobody failed. So this is from 70 to 75%, which is basically a C. 80 to 85%, which is a B, and then 90%, which is an A minus. It was actually, I believe, one person got a full grade. Well done. And the highest mark actually up here. There were 10 people. Almost half of you got basically an A. The row for B's was 8, so from here to here to here, that's 19 people. That's pretty good results. Some people didn't do as well. I don't know, maybe study a little bit harder, but basically I'm happy with the results. Nobody failed. That always makes me very, very happy. So you should be happy about that too. If you saw any problems, if you have any questions, please make sure that you tell me, either here in class. If you want to speak to me privately, you can always talk to me using email at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, we're going to get back to work here after I explain to you very quickly in Japanese what it is that I just said in English. Okay, thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.